In this video, I explain how to turn food you eat into a useful medicine for the body by following a few simple tips. In fact, by following these tips, you can provide the energy your body needs from the food you eat and turn it into an effective natural medicine for the body as well. What about water? In addition to quenching thirst, can you give it medicinal properties in the field of disease prevention and treatment? There are two things that are reformers, and when they enter any body, they don't leave it unless they reform it. The first is pomegranate, and the other is boiled water. So, does drinking water have healing properties? The answer is yes. If you know what water to drink and under what conditions, it's a cure for many diseases. Boiled water therapy is one of the best treatments for many diseases, including diabetes, high blood pressure, eczema, and many other diseases that are treated by drinking this water. Boiled water washes and cleans the body parts. You just have to be careful not to boil too much. Bring the water to boiling temperature, but don't let it to boil too much. That is, remove it from the heat after a few seconds boiling. The very simple and main point here is not to let the water boil too much. 3 or 4 seconds is enough. Now you have to let the water become lukewarm and then drink it. Remember, water should be brought to boiling point only once. Water that is boiled several times or for a long time no longer has these benefits. Now, the question is, why should you drink water in this way? Maybe you say that water is water. What else are these things for? Maybe you don't know that the nature of water is heavy, but it becomes light when it's boiled. The warm and light water in the body circulates more easily. It moves more easily between body cells. It helps in fluent blood circulation, which results in blood supply and thus feeding the body organs more easily. A body in which the blood circulates fluently will not suffer from strokes. When you drink cold water, especially during exercise, when the body has a high temperature, the body must spend a lot of energy to bring this water to the body temperature. That is, to a temperature that can be used by the body. In fact, the entry of cold water into a warm body means a sudden shock to the body, and the shock to the body means that its balance is disturbed. And the body's balance is disturbed, which means the weakness of the immune system. And the weakness of the immune system means sickness over time. Drink this water sip by sip and let it slowly cleanse the digestive system. If the digestive system is cleansed, and especially constipation is eliminated, many other diseases will also be eliminated. Because as I have emphasized many times, constipation is mother of diseases. If you drink this water, the body doesn't need to heat it, but it's the water that warms the body. A suitable amount of this water, instead of being excreted through the urinary tract, reaches the cells of the body and is absorbed by them. Now, in this situation, that is shortly after drinking this water, if you start running in such a way that it leads to sweating, a cellular wash will actually happen in your body. The result of this cell washing is the elimination of body toxins, the weakening of cancer cells, as well as fat burning and weight loss. This water cleanses the liver and reduces its heat, cleanses the digestive system and improves digestion, treats all types of constipation, opens blood vessels, reduces weight and slims, and deodorizes the mouth. It clarifies the skin and has many other properties. If you use this water for a while, you will clearly notice its positive effect on your skin, digestive system, liver, and almost all organs of your body, especially if it's accompanied by exercise or walking or running. If you like this video, please give it a like so that it can be recommended to more people. Also, by subscribing to this channel, you can use very simple and practical content on nutrition and healthy lifestyle. Thank you. Remember, do not drink this water all at once, but sip it and allow it to cleanse your digestive system and eliminate constipation over time. If your digestion is corrected and constipation is cured, many diseases are cured. If you're always thirsty and no matter how much water you drink, your thirst isn't quenched, instead of drinking cold water, drink this water and see the result. People who have joint pain, body pain, and arthritis shouldn't forget to drink this water. Drinking this water is highly recommended for people who often suffer from headache. If you want to drink this water for the treatment of fatty liver, put some flax within it and then drink it. If you are diabetic, the best exercise for you is to drink this water and run to make you sweat. Have you heard that the skin is a mirror of the liver and intestines? Since this water improves the functioning of the intestines and liver, it has a good effect on improving the quality of your skin. If you want to use this water to treat high blood pressure and hyperlipidemia, stop eating lunch and drink this water at lunchtime. In addition to treating many diseases by consuming this water, since it cleanses the body, especially the digestive system and the liver, the conditions that cause many diseases are eliminated, so do not refrain from drinking it. And at the end, if you want to learn about very simple and practical ways to prevent cancer, watch this video.